This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone selfie flipping problem. I'm going to open in my camera app and selecting selfie mode. And now I'm going to capturing a photo. Let's open the photo. As you can see, the photo has been automatically rotated or flipped. To solve this flipping problem, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on camera, and here you will get mirror front camera option. If you're having selfie flipping problem, it means this front camera option is disabled. So to fix this problem, we need to enable this option. Once done, again I'm going to my camera app and capturing a selfie. And here we can see the flipping problem has been solved. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.